So class, today we'll be revising one of the topics of English grammar, that is direct and indirect speech. So first of all, what is a direct speech? Presenting the exact words spoken by someone is known as direct speech, and indirect speech is reporting the words of the speaker by the listener to a third person. Now for example, Shaina said, comma, inverted commas, I will visit the zoo tomorrow, full stop, inverted commas closed. This is the example of direct speech. And Shaina said that she would visit the zoo the following day, full stop. This is indirect speech. So here what we have done, we have converted or we have transformed a direct speech into an indirect speech. So when we transform or change a direct speech into an indirect speech, there are some changes that takes place in the punctuation, in personal pronouns, in tenses, and in words that are referring to time and place. Okay. Now, the next thing is how to transform, that is change, a direct speech into indirect speech. So there are few changes that takes place when you have to change a direct speech into indirect speech, or a direct speech into reported speech. So the changes are, there is change in punctuation, there is change in personal pronouns, then there is change in tenses and in words that refer to time and place. Now first we will just look into this example once again. Now as you have seen here that this sentence was in direct speech and this in indirect speech. So while changing a direct sentence into indirect sentence, if you can see, the punctuation has also changed. Okay. So if you look into this example once again, and now if we have to make any sort of change in the punctuation, it is very much clear from this example. So here the reporting verb said is followed by a comma. Okay. The actual words of the speaker are placed within the inverted commas, and the first word of the speech begins with a capital letter. But when we have to convert it into indirect speech, so in that case, the reporting verb said is not followed by a comma but by a suitable connector, that is that. Next, the reported speech is not placed within the inverted commas, and the tenses of the verb usually changes. If like the reported verb is in past, then it changes, but if it is in present or future tense, then the said words are unchanged. Means the reporting words are unchanged. So now as the reporting verb is in past, that is said is past, so that's why the tenses, that is will, has been converted into past. So will changes here into would. Now we'll be doing changes in tenses. Okay, now for example, these three sentences are in direct speech and we have to convert them into indirect speech by changing the tenses. Okay, so the first sentence that is in direct speech is, she said, comma, inverted commas, Riddhima has a cute puppy, full stop, and inverted commas closed. So now if we have to convert the sentence into reported speech or indirect speech, so it will be, she said, this comma will be substituted by the connector that. Okay, so she said that, inverted commas will be removed. She said that Riddhima has, which is in present, will get converted into past. Why? Because the reporting verb is in past. So she said that Riddhima had a cute puppy. Okay. Next is, he said that the boys are playing. So here are playing is present continuous and we have to convert it into past continuous. So the boys are will get converted into where? Playing. Okay. And now look into this third sentence. I said, this comma will be substituted by this connector that. I said that Sonia will get converted into would help the juniors in preparing a dance, and this inverted commas will be removed. Next is, okay, so now next is change in personal pronouns. Fine, which we'll take help of while converting a direct speech into indirect speech. So if the pronouns are first person, like I, my, me, mine, we, us, yours. If the pronouns are in first person, so they get changed into the person and the gender of the subject of the reporting verb. And if the pronouns of the second person, like you, your, yours, so if the pronouns are in second person, then they get changed into the person and gender of the object of the reporting verb. Okay? So now let's just look into these three examples where we have to change the personal pronouns while converting a direct speech into reported or indirect speech. Okay. So the boy said, I am very happy to get full marks in class test. So here pronoun is I. Am is also given. Okay. So now we have to convert the sentence. So it will be, the boy said that I will get converted into he. Am will get converted into was. So he was very happy to get full marks in class test. Okay. Next is, she said, full stop. She said, comma, inverted commas, my father is a doctor, inverted commas close. Now we again have to change the sentence. So it will be as, she said that my will get, this is the pronoun over here, and my will get converted into her. Father is a doctor, is will get converted into the past form, that is was. So she said that her father was a doctor. Next is, I said to her, you are an intelligent girl. I said to her that, you will get converted into she. Are will get converted into was, an intelligent girl. Okay. So the next thing that you have to keep in mind while you are converting a direct speech into indirect speech is that there are changes in words that refer to time and place which also takes place while you're converting a direct speech into reported speech. Okay. So we'll be solving these three examples, but before that you need to know that what changes will take place in time related to time and place. Just need to go through these rules. See, these are not actually the rules, these are basically the changes that will take place. Just have a look. Like now will get converted into then, tomorrow into the next day, last night will get converted into the previous night, later will get converted into after, the day after tomorrow will get converted into in 2 days time. So in this way. So let us just solve these three examples and it will be more clear to you all. So Raju said, comma, inverted commas, I will receive my uncle at the airport tonight, full stop, and inverted commas closed. So now you have to change the sentence. So it will be, Raj said, this will get substituted with that. I is a pronoun over here and it will get converted into he. Will get converted into would. Receive, my will again get converted into his. Uncle at the airport tonight. So now here this time will also get converted into. So here tonight will get converted into that night. Okay, next. So your next sentence is, Ria said, I am planning to eat pizza tomorrow. Now we have to convert the sentence and it will be as, Ria said that, I will get converted into she. Am will get converted into was. Planning to eat pizza tomorrow will get converted into the next day. Next sentence, Gia said they moved to Italy a month ago. So Gia said that they had moved to Italy a month ago. A month ago, here this word ago will get converted into before. Okay. So now students, we're done with the revision of direct and indirect speech. So what have we revised in this is that when you have to convert a direct speech into indirect speech, there are changes which actually takes place. That is change in punctuation, tenses, personal pronouns, and the words that refer to time and place. So by changing this, you can convert a direct speech into indirect speech. So students, now as we have done the revision of direct and indirect speech, So this is the worksheet that you all have to solve. 8 sentences are there and the question is change the following sentences into indirect speech. So first sentence we'll solve together and the rest 7 sentences you all have to solve. Okay, so the first sentence is she said to me, comma, inverted commas, Raj doesn't believe the story. Full stop, inverted commas close. So the answer will be she told me, right? Said to will get converted into told me that Raj doesn't will get converted into didn't believe. So in this way you have to complete the rest of the sentences. Kindly complete them and send me your worksheet after you have completed this as soon as possible. Thank you.